Why I like the Questar. Sometimes I just want to put a telescope easy to mount on the Dobsonian mount. I don't want to fiddle around with too many eyepieces, Barlow, then a finder scope. Everything in one package. That's Questar. That's what is all Questar about. And that gives me that option. So, easy observation. I just put one 10mm, in this case Hyperion, and I can just immediately start observing. Find the object, in this case Jupiter, and the Saturn, which is now here at the center, and continue to enjoy and immediately pack it up. You don't want sometimes to just really go for putting the mount outside, tripod, carrying it out, carrying it in, standing. This is tabletop, and I'm sitting in the room and just enjoying the views. That's what it's all about, comfort. This comfort is especially important during the COVID, which we have to stay indoors, and things are really not the way that they used to be. So Questar has everything in a package, nice package that I want to use. That's the joy of the astronomy. It's not a chore, it's a joy. I especially like the ease that you can change between the finder and centering the object, and immediately putting the eyepiece on the train, and you can just see it. Then immediately, if you want, you can increase the magnification by this Barlow. Really easy. I don't know why nobody has actually tried to improve on that, just make similar things. Is it patented? But there must be other ways to actually go around this and just make it accessible to everyone. With this setup, this field Questar is as easy as 1, 2, 3. It's just 1, 2, 3. That's it. I found the object. I'm already looking at it. I'm now watching observing the Saturn. I wonder how it is with the Questar with a standard mount. That will be lovely. If I can get a duplex mount, that will be nice. But I have already this one, so I can just use the cheap Dobsonian mount. One of the things that puts off me with the Celestron like that, or unguided no-go-to meet, is that it takes ages sometimes to even find the moon. With that, this is so lovely. The finder immediately changes to the eyepiece. You can find anything you want in a snapshot.